Thousands of Kogi indigents took over major roads in Kogi State on Tuesday to welcome the former state governor, Yahaya Bello, to his hometown after meeting the bail conditions set by a court in Abuja over 2 money laundering cases linked to his administration. Report had it that Bello returned to his hometown to celebrate the new year with his relatives, supporters, and political associates, as well as relieve the stress undergone while battling to get bail from the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. The former governor, who is returning home to Ebira land for the first time after leaving the EFCC, was seen dressed in white attire with a turban that depicts his religious beliefs. An aide to the state governor, Mohammed Onugu, described the gesture of the Ebirans to the former governor as recognition of the former governor's contributions to the development of Kogi Central Senatorial District of the state. He said, the former governor of Kogi State, His Excellency Yahaya Bello, was warmly welcomed by a massive crowd comprising family members, close friends, political supporters, and residents of Kogi Central Senatorial District during his visit to his hometown, Okene. His journey to Okene was marked by joyous celebrations, as people from all walks of life gathered to show their admiration and support for the former governor. The atmosphere was filled with excitement, reflecting the deep connection and appreciation the people of the region have for his impactful leadership and service while leading the state as a governor. This came barely 11 days after the former governor paid bail bond on both cases filed against him and 2 others by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, over alleged money laundering charges. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real-time updates and exclusive videos.